Hello and welcome! This is a beginner video on the basic layout elements in Bricks Builder. Think of the layout as the skeleton of your web design. It's the structure that holds everything. At its core, it's made up of boxes. If you look closely at most websites, you'll see that their design is built from box-like sections stacked and arranged across the page. So when you're planning your WordPress site, try to visualize it in terms of boxes. This mindset will help you organize your content and make decisions on styles, colors, and images. Bricks Builder has 4 basic elements. The first is the section. This is the first structure of your site. It is used to structure and divide your page. The next element is the container. By default, this appears within a section. This holds your content and appears centered. The third element is a block, which is a full-width flexbox container designed to stack content, typically in the form of columns or groups of elements. And lastly, the div element. This is a basic unstyled HTML div element that you can use to group, structure, or style any set of elements however you like. We have a full video tutorial that shows you how to build a basic website using only the block, section, and container element, so be sure to check the video for the full video tutorial. And that's it! Be sure to subscribe for more similar videos on Bricks Builder.